Tired of drowning in a sea of disorganized data? Let's transform chaos into clarity. First, we'll tackle sorting. Click on Data in the menu bar. Then, select Sort Range. This opens the sort options. Choose the column you want to sort by, like Sales Rep, and select either A to Z for ascending or Z to A for descending order. Click Sort to apply the change. Next, let's filter your data to focus on what's important. Go back to the Data menu and click Create a Filter. You'll see filter icons appear in each column header. Click the icon in the region column. Now uncheck all regions except for, say, the East region. Then click OK. Only the rows related to the East region will remain visible. Now, let's use a simple formula. Click an empty cell at the bottom of the sales column. Type equals sum, then select all the sales values in the sales column above. Close the parenthesis with, and press enter. Google Sheets will automatically calculate the sum of your sales. Finally, let's touch on pivot tables. Select all your data, including headers. Again, click on Data and choose Pivot Table. A new sheet will open with a blank pivot table. Drag the fields like region to rows and sales to values. This is a simple start. Pivot tables offer more advanced functionalities. And that's it, sorting, filtering, formulas, and a glimpse of pivot tables. Start mastering these techniques, and you'll be analyzing and presenting data like a pro in no time.